Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Krispy Kreme-style donuts. We'll cover everything from mixing the dough to achieving that perfect, melt-in-your-mouth glaze. Get ready to impress your friends and family with these homemade delights. This process is surprisingly straightforward, and the results are incredibly rewarding. Let's dive into the steps to create these sweet, airy treats right in your own kitchen. First, gather your ingredients, including warm milk, active dry yeast, sugar, and all-purpose flour. Gently combine these, then add eggs, butter, and salt. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and pliable. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it proof in a warm spot. It should double in size, indicating it's ready for the next stage of preparation. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out on a lightly floured surface. Aim for a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Use a 3-inch donut cutter to create your donut shapes and holes. Let these cut donuts rest for another 15 minutes. Heat your frying oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully fry each donut for about 1 minute per side until golden brown. While your donuts are still warm, prepare the signature glaze. Whisk together powdered sugar, a small amount of milk, and a touch of vanilla extract until smooth. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated, then place it on a wire rack to set. The glaze will firm up, creating that iconic, sweet shell. These are best enjoyed fresh. Be sure to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.